Open the trunk to gain access.
Remove the cover by prying it off. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Reconnect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Replace the cover.